More to learn. Why does limestone neutralize acid rain better than granite? Acid rain falls in many places in the United States, but many factors determine how much an area suffers from acid rain. One factor is the total amount of acid deposited. If there is more acid rain, or if the rain is more acidic, the acid rain will do more damage than if there is less acid rain or the rain is less acidic. Another factor is how sensitive the area is to acid. The geology of an area may often determine its sensitivity to acid. In areas where the bedrock, or the rock under the soil, is limestone, the acid rain can be neutralized to some degree. To neutralize a solution means to bring its pH closer to 7 or neutral. Limestone, along with other rocks and soils that contain calcium carbonate, are most effective at neutralizing acid. The acid reacts with calcium carbonate to produce neutral compounds and carbon dioxide. This is an example of that. Sulfuric acid reacts with calcium carbonate to produce calcium sulfate and carbonic acid. The carbonic acid then forms carbon dioxide gas and water. Because carbonic acid is less acidic than sulfuric acid, limestone helps neutralize acid in acid rain. This lessens the acid rain's impact on the groundwater and surface area. If the acid rain is neutralized, it will not change the acidity in lakes and groundwaters. In mountainous areas, on the other hand, the bedrock is usually granite. Granite does not react with the acid, so it does not neutralize acid. In these areas, acid rain enters surface and groundwater systems unchanged. When the acid mixes with the water in the lakes and soil, it makes the water more acidic. The ability of forest soils or rock to neutralize acidity is known as its buffering capacity. The buffering capacity of a region depends on the composition of the soil and the thickness of the soil and the bedrock beneath the soil. The buffering capacity of the Adirondacks is low. Most of the lakes in the Adirondacks have granite bottoms. Because granite does not neutralize the acid, the acidity of the water in the lakes increases, and the acid rain affects sensitive plants and animals. What does neutralizing mean? In water, an acid releases hydrogen ions, H+, and a base releases hydroxide ions, OH-. These two ions will always react to form water. This is called neutralization because the low pH of the acid and the high pH of the base counteract each other. The solution approaches the neutral pH of water about pH 7. The reaction below shows the reaction of the hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide in water. Before the reaction, the two compounds are found as a mixture of ions in water. So HCl and NaOH. When combined, they form H2O and NaCl. The sodium and chloride ions remain in the solution without change. During this neutralization reaction, the negative ion of the acid Cl negative and the positive ion of the base Na positive are left behind to form a salt if the water is evaporated away. In this case, the salt is sodium chloride, or common table salt. If you tasted the solution formed by this reaction, it would taste like salt water. However, you would not be able to see the salt until the water was removed.